In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change username and name on Twitter. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Twitter app, and then in order to change your name, hit at your profile picture. Then go to your profile, then tap where it says edit profile, and then you will be able to change your name on Twitter simply by editing that text. Once you've done with that, just don't forget to hit at save. If you want to change your username you can find just underneath your name at your profile page. So if you want to change it, tap at your profile picture, then go to settings and support, then settings and privacy, then your account and account information. And that's where you can easily find that username feature. You can just tap on it, and in order to set new username to your Twitter profile, just hit at that new username field. It will ask you, are you sure you want to change your username? Hit at continue, and then just come up with the new username. Keep in mind that username has to be unique. Once you've done with that, don't forget to hit at done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.